In today's video, I will walk you through how to delete promotions in Gmail. Before we jump into this quick tutorial, tap the link in the description below to follow along. And let's get started. First, open Gmail and look at the tabs near the top of your inbox. Select the Promotions tab. This is where Gmail usually places promotional emails, such as discounts, advertisements, store updates, and special offers. To delete a single promotional email, simply select the message you want to remove. Then click the trash icon at the top of the page. The selected email will be moved to the trash folder. If you want to delete several promotional emails at once, you can select multiple messages using the checkboxes beside each email. Once you have selected the messages you don't need, click the trash icon. You can also select all the promotional emails currently displayed on the page. To do this, click the checkbox at the top of the message list. This selects the emails shown on the current page. Then click the trash icon to remove them. Keep in mind that deleting an email doesn't immediately remove it permanently. Deleted messages normally remain in the trash for a period of time before Gmail automatically removes them. Another useful option is to unsubscribe from promotional emails that you no longer want to receive. Open a promotional message and look for an unsubscribe option, usually near the sender's information. And just like that, your inbox is breathing again. If this quick tech audit saved you hours of manual clicking, hit that subscribe button for more teardowns. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.